Hi, hello, welcome to another math lesson. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying radicals. Alright, so during this lesson you're going to learn how to simplify radicals with similar indexes and also simplify radicals with similar radicands. Alright, so how do you simplify two or more radicals with the same index number? Remember, your index is that little number in the nook. If two or more radicals are being multiplied and have the same index number, then the radicands, that item underneath the radical, can be combined, or we think of it as multiplied, under one radical with the same index number. You have to make sure the index numbers are the same to be able to do this. So notice, I have the nth root of a multiplied by the nth root of b. That's the same as saying the nth root of a multiplied by b. Alright. So here's an example if I want to simplify this radical. First off, I can say, well, I have the same index number of 5. So I can say the fifth root of 5 times 10, which is equal to the fifth root of 50. And that's not going to simplify at all. Boom, just like that. Now you try. Simplify this radical. Pause the video. See what you can do. Alright, hopefully you tried this. I have the same index number, so I can say the seventh root of 5 times n, or 5n. It is as simple as that. Okay, so I want you to simplify these radicals. I have the fourth root of 6 times 5, or the fourth root of 30. Okay, I get the third root of 8 times 7, or the third root of 56. Let's see, that's not going to simplify at all. Let's see, here I have the square root of a plus 4 squared. Notice I have a square root. My index number and my exponent are the same, so that will simplify to be a plus 4. Alright. Now what happens when I have different index numbers, but my radicand, that number underneath the radical, is the same? So when two or more radicals are being multiplied and both radicands are the same, the radicals can be combined by turning the radicals into exponents and using the exponent rules to combine the exponents. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So notice here I have a and a. My radicand is the same. I can rewrite each of these as a rational exponent. So I have a raised to the c over n times a raised to the d over n, and since my base numbers are now the same, I can use my rules of exponents of saying my bases are the same. I can add together the exponents. So we're going to add some fractions here. Here's my example. So here, notice my radicand, that number underneath is the same. I can rewrite each of these. So I can say 8 raised to the 2/3 power for the first one, multiplied by 8 raised to the 1/2 power. Since I know that my bases are the same, I can add my exponents. So 8 raised to the 2/3 plus 1/2 power. Now we can add 2/3 to 1/2. So I'm going to just come over to the side here. Say 2/3 plus 1/2. Remember, when adding a fraction, I need to have a common denominator. So we're going to say our common denominator is 6. So I'm going to multiply by 2 over 2 over here, and 3 over 3 over here. So that gives me 4 6 plus 3 6. Okay. I add those together. I get 7 6. So now I can say this is 8 raised to the 7/6 power. Or I can say it is the 6th root of 8 to the 7th, which simplifies to be 8 6 roots of 8. Perfect. I want you guys to give these a try, simplifying these radicals. So I get a to the 1/2 times a to the 2/3. We get a to the 1/2 plus 2/3. We can think of this as 3/3 times 2/2. So I get a to the 3/6 plus 4/6, which is a to the 7/6, which would be a 6 roots of a. Okay. This next one, I get x to the 2/3 times x to the 5/2. Okay. That equals x to the 2/3 plus 5/2. Can multiply by 2/2 there. 3/3 there. This gives me x to the 4/6 plus 15/6, which is x to the 19/6, which gives me x to the 3rd comes out. We get the 6th root of x. All I'm doing is simplifying these fractions. 6 is going to go into 19 3 times, right? So that's where I get this x to the 3rd. And then I have 1/6 left over, x to the 1/6. All right, let's look at this this next one. I have x to the 5/3 times x to the 1/4. We can say this is 4/4, 3/3, but we're going to multiply to simplify these fractions down. So we know it's going to be x to the 20th over 12th plus 3/12, which gives me x to the 23rd, 24th, sorry, 23/12. You guys don't want to see another mistake in my videos, I know. Sure, I already made one. Okay, x to the 23/12. Okay, so that can simplify to be the 12th root of x to the 23rd. One x can come out. 12th root x to the 11th. Notice if I say that 12 and that 11, that will add up to 23. That's where those numbers are coming from. Okay. All right, that's all I got. If you have any questions, please feel free to come talk to me about that, or a tutor, and we'd be happy to help you. Take it easy, everybody. We'll catch you later.